So you decided to take social media seriously and promote your business online, right? But where to start? There's so much information out there. Don't fret, I can help you. You have to start somewhere. So I recommend you take these steps first. The first step is for you to understand that on social media, you gotta be social. Yes, I know. Sometimes people just get lost on what they're gonna put on the content, and it's so much simpler than most people think it is. There are 3 reasons why people go to social media mostly for. They go there to entertain themselves, to get inspired by other people's lives or, maybe from motivational posts, and also to get educated. It's a very common reason that people go to social media. So you need to be social on that aspect, that you're gonna bring to them what they want. So you go there and you bring things that entertain them, that educate them, and that inspire them with a social conversational tone. That's what people are expecting when they go to social media. So understand that you are on a social platform. That's not a blog, that's not a website where you have to be a little bit more stiff and professional. Now, the second step is for you to understand that you are there to serve. So on your business pages, that's the mentality you have to come from, that you are serving your audience. So since you understand now that it's a social platform, that you're coming to educate, inspire, and to entertain, when you come from the place of serving, you understand that you're not there to sell. Nobody's going to social media to get sold. But yes, you're going to sell and promote your business, but in a very non-explicit way, non-salesy way, okay? And most of all, you're going to come from a place of serving, of educating, of giving value. That's what your content must come with. You gotta think about serving. It's a platform where you're serving. After you do that for a while, then you get the right to sell them, but in a very non-explicit way, because, as I said,
nobody wants to go to social media to get sold.
Now that you understand these 2 steps on social media, you gotta do some work. And that's my third step for you. You're going to do some market research. You probably did that when you started your business, right? You went out and did some network, or maybe even went out in your neighborhood, in your city, and you found out who are the people that do the same things that you do. We call them competitors. I don't like this word, so I just say, people that do similar work that you do. You're going to do the same in social media. You're going to do a market research of your competitors, and you're going to see what they are doing. How are they behaving on social media? How often are they posting? Which kind of content they are posting? Is it just, images? Is it links to something else? Or are they posting videos? Now, this is going to be important, not for you to copy what they are doing, okay? No copying here. But one, you can be inspired by what they are sharing, and you have your own content that you can share on that same line. And also, you can understand what your target market, which is the same as your competitor, is looking for. So you're gonna see those posts or those videos that are getting more engagement, and maybe you can also serve and bring content and value with that same kind of content. So market research is your work for this week. I'm going to put a guide here for you, a link for the guide, where you can see all these questions you can work when you do your research, so you can follow through and do this. You need to do this before you even think about start posting. You can't just post willy-nilly. You need to understand what is out there, and also coming from a place of serving and being social. When you do this work, this is going to give you so much clarity on where to start, and it's going to save you a lot of time. So don't wait. Just download my guide, tell me where you want me to send it, and just start working. This is all I have for you today. I don't want you to get overwhelmed. So 3 simple little steps that you can take today to get more clarity and start promoting yourself online. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, hitting that bell button as well, so you can get notifications every time I have a new video. I'm here every week, and I hope to see you next time. Bye now.